Today I have TNT RV Mobile service replacing one of my air conditioning units. The Blizzard Dominic in the back went out 3 days ago, and it took them 3 days to find one. Nobody else seems to have one, not even Camping World in their inventory. So they're here replacing it now, and they're doing one hell of a job.
Good morning, folks, and today I'm going to go up the ladder and show you the results of having these gentlemen install a Dometic air conditioner. Our other one went kapoots on us, and the gentleman that did this, his name is Tom Lowry. He is a business owner. It's TNT RV Mobile RV Service. He serves Southern Nevada, and he gives what he calls a freedom discount. They offer 10% discount on parts and labor for all military, law enforcement, and active NRA members. Very reputable, very quick. They were in and out of here within an hour and a half. So I'm gonna shoot up the ladder and show you guys the finished product. So here it is, folks. The new Dometic Blizzard. This unit alone, if you were to buy it from Camping World, is $1,203 if you're lucky to get it for that, if you're lucky to get one at all, due to the fact of what's going on with the pandemic. He got it for me for $1,250, and I'm not even gonna bat an eye at that. Installed and everything was somewhere around $1,600 with a warranty. So I am quite happy. I am up on my roof, as you all can tell, because I'm showing you the AC unit, and at the same time giving you a view from my roof. On that note, the AC is in. My downstairs is at a lovely 82 degrees. When Nevada gets to be 115, 116 degrees out here. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the road. Coming down after taking care of the AC unit with Tom. Great. We get AC back in our fifth wheel, which is fantastic. We've been without it for 3 days. So anyhow, it's a done deal, and I would recommend these people to anybody. They're courteous and very quick. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you soon.